Walekai, yau legend, jangka voice of the people party, uba Ardent mila basayumay. Daladihi, daka city, ulit ban ai, ha office trikam, jang chief minister, Shri Konrad Konggal sangma. Namar ke jingkren jang chief minister, ye kini kintien, ke iga penlong, ba unkren ni kintien. Ngalaban ong ba, kadeh ha kasngi, ya kaba uba lambor mangyang uba de ex MLA MDC jong kan Nongkrem constituency bawan penisoil dia syaka National People's Party NPP badeh kan isngi kapan lo chief minister ban keren ni gintian ngamtip ngalaban ng PE hagi media hagi ni benang beladap ngi gamba ka NPP imadu ki high level gitu laban no ka parti NPP kitulut ngalamun kiri orang bab berkhat ki badai niki naka kongres ki badai niki we parti political party ngai ki sentuj lut syaka nika NPP syaka nika parti ngamtip ki yoyu ngalamun no deh kan nika sengi tep langsung raham pelat honorable chief minister jaga jalan meglia ban keren ni gintian ban ong ba ki MLA jong kaliang persya kam isai bha kar kom pyntreikam ya ka MLA scheme haki constituency jong ki MLA kaliang persya kamut ba ka syai ba kar kom pyntreikam ya ki MLA scheme kam syai bha tang haki MLA jong kaliang persya om haki MLA jong ruling dena kan ni katao ka penlong your president jong ka voice of the people party bani ada ke city pai ba kena mo pinsyai ped ya gani ka video ya ke ke bau ba Ardent udan ban ong ei ban pinsyai om dei ba pinsa ak dum nei ba pinsyai pe ini video do bukut kuble shibon
wan ban ai gani ke city of the chief minister ke city ke bidi ba jing pyntreikam ya ke MLA scheme kaba Kalami ke jingkan ho na kalian ke chief minister ba ke jing pyntreikam ya ke MLA scheme ha kham tam ki ki constituency bala mi khamat ki yang syam mo da ba tho se ke jing tho ko khambon je ka voice of the people party kamilong ka ba bet se ka ba tikana je kani ki sithi ka long kum ne mo man puli khliat to Shri Konrad Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Meghalaya, Shillong, from Ardent Miller Basaima, MLA President Voice of the People Party, Electoral Chapter 1, East Castle District. Subject implementation of MLA schemes. Dear Mr. Konrad, on behalf of the Voice of the People Party, I take this opportunity to write to you this letter in connection with the implementation of MLA schemes. Our attention has been drawn by your recent statement in connection with the implementation of MLA schemes, where you had expressed your concern about the manner in which MLA schemes are implemented, especially in constituencies representing by members belonging to the opposition. I would like to appreciate your concern and apprehensions when you decide to question whether MLA schemes have been properly utilized or not. I fully endorse your sentiment that MLA schemes should be properly utilized and implemented in a transparent manner. I would also like to bring to your notice that as a party which believes in transparency and accountability, it had already written a letter to all its MLAs to ensure that implementation of MLA schemes should be implemented in a transparent manner. Therefore, in this connection, I would like to take a cue from your statement and express my sincere desire for an independent inquiry into the implementation of MLA schemes in the state to be immediately constituted by the government. I would further suggest that you initiate this investigation from the year 2008 onwards, starting from 22 Nongkrem constituency and subsequently to be followed by other constituencies. I hope you will seriously consider this matter so that the people of the state will be more informed about the entire issue. This is Kanigadika, chithi ka bangi ki wan ban ayu chief minister adin bangi oso ye ka jingkren ka jingu ba kamdon ka rukom pyntreikam ka ba janai ka ba yang hai bade ka MLA scheme de nagaleng ka jingu nagaleng ka jingu president ni wan ban ayu ka jitho ban dawan us chief minister bodi ban thau da ka jing tohkit mo ka ba lu independent inquiry ban sedang ban tohkit ya ki jing pyntreikam ik MLA scheme nadu usnem arjar pra pada ka ba kisdang na Nongkrem constituency pas penbot pat ki constituency ati kai ke penlong ya chief minister lese chief minister la song song shit aga jing khot jing ki pri ka party kala penlong ya chief minister lese bo kren ni ki kinti but kawe ni haban song tu ba ka jing sadin jong ka constituency kamdei ha tang nakadau ke MLA scheme MLA scheme arklur shiteng shisnem kan abyang se ba pin kentiu ya ka constituency tang dai tai arklur shiteng rei ka state le ka constituency ka kiu ha ka pyntreikam jana ki schemes ki per link ba department ko per bakata kali ka kamram jo sarkar Lada mangi ki badon hakal yang persyang ila aban le ya kata ala ni ban rai ka roi ka pat lem badon hakal yang sinsyar kabumut ngim don kam hiru bangi ni keren yenu du ngin le enrei ya ki kam roi ka pat bi ka dei ke pyntreikam ka chanai jo ki department bat ka policy jong ka sarkar kani ka dei ka jing persyang ban ketat no i ka jingmut ka jipakhat jo ki pat ba ka ba persyang ban kedo ya ki ya ka benta nese ka ba phiklem perkhat la kalong ne em ka ba don Nongkrem ba ka shisha kum ba kalong ngalajop ya MLA election adu usnem arajar phra hadu ajar khat phra ba ajar khat phra ngarem no kum ba phitip nyu pundri bot ba hagini ki samsnem adu ajar khat phra hadu arajar arpulai aklem don benta ai em ba ka constituency dan ni bagi pa la ha kanu gondo benta kalian Tilara kita ki snem ki bangang along kumu MLA mak ki bau pai ba koloman ki dong ki snem ki ba ngakrem la ban peni ki kam phimot bau pai ba ondang jip yang house nem arazar apply ba ka jingjok ka bodon burok angit ki pai ba ha ka jela ki mak ki pai ba ki ha ka jela ki bat ka election house nem apply ka election ka balong simple Nri ke election ham apply pada election ke shirkai ke je the ke je ai chingaram tenri bali Ardent ubah klem le eu job magi pai ba ki pe ke ship house nem pat ke jingram ke junga ha ka sem aja khapra le se kamle ke jingram no ma pai ba kon pai ngai ke ke jing penia ke jing play pan sanjur thmai pat ya ka san par thai ha ke chala ke i hangni ni i ya ka jinglong ka bashisha lani ka ta ka leadership mak jong kani ka sarkar MD kabangi i bak leadership ko makalong jo sarkar MD kamde ka leadership ka balong rangba kamde ka leadership ka ba perkhat ka state ndre ka leadership ka ba perkhat tang ha ka politics lani hak ta ka electoral politics